Welcome to our exploration of Bernoullis Principle, an intriguing scientific concept that helps us understand the behavior of fluids in motion. Bernoullis Principle states that as the speed of a fluid increases, its pressure decreases. This principle applies to liquids, gases, and other fluids. Let's see this principle in action with a practical example. Imagine a car speeding down a highway. As the car moves faster, the air above it moves rapidly, resulting in decreased pressure on the top surface of the car. Bernoullis Principle finds practical applications in various areas of our lives. For instance, it plays a significant role in aviation. The shape of airplane wings is designed to create a difference in air pressure, allowing airplanes to generate lift and stay airborne. Another example is the flow of water through pipes. When the diameter of a pipe decreases, the fluid velocity increases, causing a decrease in pressure according to Bernoullis Principle. This principle has applications in aviation, plumbing, and many other areas of science and engineering. If you found it fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing scientific explorations.